Hey guys, welcome to my video series on how I build my fingerboard decks. This video I just wanted to go through veneer with you guys and basically how it works with how many you have and different things like that. So generally you have five plies within a fingerboard deck, and 3 of these plies you'll have the grain running the lengthway and 2 you'll have running crossways like that. So basically the top will be running lengthways, the next one cross, lengthways, cross, lengthways. Just basically alternated like that. So three straights and 2 with the grain crossing like that. Now generally I tend to use maple, which is kind of the industry standard, I suppose, really. It's industry standard in skateboard decks as well. It's a nice tight grain dense wood. It's nice and flexible, it's easy to work with, and it just makes for a nice deck, to be honest with you. There are other veneers what you can use. I mean, I do use different veneers as well. Walnut's a good veneer, something like cherry, tulip wood's a good one. What I tend to do is, if I'm using other type, zebrano, that's a good one as well. If I'm using other types of veneer, like different wood types, I generally tend to stick to using them on the bottom if I'm doing a split ply or something like that, or just a plain bottom. I just generally like to keep the rest of them, the rest of the plies maple, and it just makes for a snappier, poppier deck, and I think it just looks nice, to be honest with you. And so yeah, I just wanted to run through that with you today. So what I'll do in the next video, we'll be going through, I'll be going through the glue, because that can make a difference on how poppy your deck is as well, and also the mould that I use, and the sort of the way that I need to use this mould to make it work how I want it to. So yeah, this is the first video in the series. I'm hoping it's going to help you guys out, because I want to try and do it in as much detail as I can for you guys, so that you can really get a good understanding of how it's done. So take care guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, that greatly helps me out, and take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.